You can also create a full system backup by using Microsoft Windows 11, and then if something happens to your computer, you can revert back to the way it was before. So to actually do that, you can go around onto the start menu and type in control panel right here. So you can access out the control panel. So let me just expand this out. And over here, you will be able to see backup and restore right here. So once you go around into backup and restore, you can see that you can create just a system repair disk. So what happens is that just the repairing disk is created, or you can create a system image. So you can copy out the entire system the way it is so that you can revert back to the exact way that it was before. So in order to do that, you can click on create a system image right here. And once you do that, you can see that it is looking for backup devices that you can use, as you can see right here. So now you can see that I can actually go around and then keep this in a certain hard disk of my choice or on a volume as well. But it has to be in NTFS system, as you can see right here. So you can go around, select out a file that you want, but there is not enough space right here. So I'm not actually going to create a backup right here, but if you want to save in more than one DVDs, you can do that as well. Or you can choose a network location as well, so that it gets backed up into a particular network location as well. So now you can go around and click next right here. You can choose around the let's say, for example, the drives that you want to actually back up right here. So you can see that the recovery drive is already selected, but if you want to select out something else, you can select those out as well. And then click on next right here, and you can click on start backup to get all the backup. That is, you can create an image, exact image that your computer has onto this particular drive right here. And that is how you can create a complete system image. That is, you can back up your entire system so that if something happens to your computer, you can easily revert back in Windows 11. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.